Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find and adjust the sound equalizer of your Sennheiser CX Plus. So to do this you have to be connected with the Sennheiser application, then select them and open Equalizer. First of all, when you click on the Equalizer presets, you can find few default presets. So when you switch, for example, for the dance, as you can see, that's the different setup of the sliders, but you can also adjust them manually. You can also enable or disable the bass boost and the pulse cuts to, for example, get the speech clarity by tapping on these presets. And when you do this, as you can see, for the podcasts, the sliders disappear. And you are also able to save this preset, but also we can rename. So you can click here and you can set it as a new preset. Click OK, and after that you will be able to find it right here. It appears in this place. If you want to delete any of these presets, you can just click on this icon and then click yes. You can also do this for the custom presets that you create. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.